Pull the car up on ramps. Remove the splash guard held on by T25 Torx fasteners. Place a drain basin underneath the car oil pan. Break the oil pan drain plug with a 19mm socket head. Make sure to position the oil pan correctly. Oops. Let the oil drain until it comes to a slow drip, about 15 to 20 minutes. Put the drain plug back and tighten. Place the oil drain basin beneath the oil filter. Remove the cap from the oil filter housing. Push the drain nipple valve in and to the side and let it drain until it comes to a slow drip, about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, use a filter pliers or 74mm 14 flute oil filter wrench to remove the housing. Remove the oil filter. Remove the gasket with pliers by the tab. Lubricate the new gasket that comes with the replacement filter with new oil and place it in the filter housing with tab facing up. Put in the new paper filter. Make sure the oil drain valve is closed by pushing it back to the center. Screw the housing back into the car and tighten with pliers or a wrench. Screw the cap back into the housing. Replace the splash guard and screw in place. Remove the oil filler cap and insert a funnel. Add about 5 quarts of appropriate oil and do a dipstick reading. Continue to add oil until the dipstick reads at the appropriate fill line. Hold down the 0.0 set button on the right side of the dash and turn the key a partial rotation so the dash light comes on, but the engine does not start. Let go of the 0.0 set button. Push the button on the left side of the dash.